Are you dreaming of far-off destinations, cultural experiences, and stunning landscapes, but worried about the cost? You're not alone. Many people think that travel has to be expensive, but the truth is that there are incredible places to explore without breaking the bank. Let's start with Bali, often called the Island of the Gods. This tropical paradise offers luxurious environments and stunning coastlines, all while providing a variety of economical options. From cost-effective guest houses to local eateries and budget-friendly activities, Bali has something for every budget traveler. Next, we have Prague, the city of 100 spires. This European treasure trove is filled with magnificent architecture and a rich historical background. Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, offers a captivating combination of history, tradition, and affordable adventures. From Vietnamese street cuisine to budget-friendly guest houses, Hanoi provides a rich experience without exceeding your budget. From Mexico City to Chiang Mai, these 10 destinations offer a diverse array of attractions, cultural encounters, and affordability. So pack your bags, plan your itinerary, and embark on an economical journey to uncover the wonders of these remarkable destinations. Happy travels!